Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. This week I made a purchase off Amazon for SheModern product. I thought long and hard about it because to me it was a little bit pricey. I'll explain that in a minute, but I did think long and hard about it because I really wanted this. Really wanted this. It was cheaper to go this route because SheModern does sell off of Amazon now, so you can check them out on Amazon, or you can order stuff straight off SheModern.com. It's up to you. But what I did, here's my package. So I cut the slit. I've not opened this yet. I've been dying all day to do this. I'm gonna show this to you. Ooh, so I'm sure by now you can see it's 5 colors: gel, ink, smoky, something creative, nail art, set 2. Woo-hoo-hoo. So this is an unboxing. We're gonna open this together. Oh, how cool. Okay, I'm moving everything about. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, that's what it's packaged in. Okay, this is the SheModern card that comes with all their products. Let me see. Thank you for your interest in SheModern's creative nail art products. Please leave a review sharing your experience and image photos. Artists can now create countless cool nail artworks quickly and easily when combining the colorful, and they've got the foils, the glitter, the smoky marble inks, the glue sealers, the water paints, all the different products. Well, not all. The majority of the products that they sell. So here we have got 5 bottles. 5 bottles. Okay, let's clean this up real quick. Whee. You get 5 bottles for $44.99 off Amazon. There's 3 different sets to pick from. This is the one I chose. Okay. This is, I thought long and hard because I don't know, right now $45 to me, it's an investment for sure. I really wanted this though. If you order off the website itself, these are $15 a piece. I couldn't go that route. I could not afford it. I love my SheModern products. Everybody knows this. But I couldn't afford that. Tina says to give him a shake, so whoops. That's what I'm doing. I'm not going to demo these today. I will do that next week, next Saturday, because there's 2 different ways you can use this, and to do that, that's 10 nails, so it's going to take a little bit of time, and I do talk a lot. So, in my one I chose, I have got the white smoky. The orange. You didn't get to pick your colors. It was 3 sets. You bought one of the 3, and these are the colors. It was in this one. The peacock. That's why I chose this one, because I wanted the peacock. Red. This will be great for Valentine's. And the pink. Like I said, there's 2 different ways you can use this product. Both on gel, because these are gel inks. So there's 2 different ways you can use these. I'm going to show you next Saturday both ways that you can. So, let me see. Visit SheModern.com. Please subscribe to their channel here on YouTube and let them know that Just Nailed It sent you. Subscribe to my channel as well, and please ring the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my purchase. I definitely think this is more economical to go the Amazon route than $15 a pop. I can't afford that. You know, so this was the better route for me. If you couldn't afford them straight out, then, you know, that's the better route for you to go. This was the better route for me. So stay tuned for next Saturday, where we will demo each one of these products, both ways that you can use them. So yeah, see you next week. Have a blessed day, and thank you.